Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video we'll see how to uninstall Google Chrome from Linux. So first we need to open the terminal, and to open it we need to search the terminal here. We need to type terminal, and then this is the application for the terminal. We need to click it to open it. Now this is the window for terminal and we need to maximize this. Now we can check whether Google Chrome is installed or not by giving the Google-Chrome command in the terminal. And if it is installed, it will open the UI in the Linux. As you can see that UI is open for Google Chrome. It means that it is installed. So what we can do, we can close this UI. Now we can close this UI and we can go to the terminal. We can clear the terminal. And now we can give the command to remove Google Chrome from the Linux, and the command is sudo apt --purge space remove, and the package name, which is Google Chrome stable. In this command, if you observe that sudo is for the super user, apt is the application name, and --purge remove are the options for removing the package, and the package name is Google Chrome stable. Now it will ask for the password. We can give the password, and this uninstallation can take a time. It will also ask for the confirmation to free the space, and to confirm it we can press capital Y followed by the enter key. Now the uninstallation is about to finish. To confirm the uninstallation, we can give the command to start the Google Chrome in the terminal, and the command is Google -Chrome. So as package is installed successfully, it will not start the UI, and it will say that no such file or directory. It means that it is uninstalled successfully. So friends, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this. Bye.